Today I'm gonna show you a flamingo pool party cake. Flamingo pool cake time. Start with a 3-layer cake, and I got some blue buttercream, and I'm going to fill this guy up, because again, this is kind of like our bluish green pool water. Fill up my cake, put my cream on the inside, I layer it up. Now it's time to ice this cake up. And again, whenever I ice a cake, I use my turntable. It's my best friend. I just kind of squeeze, and I'm using the direction of the turntable to put the cream around. Now I'm just going to smooth this out, and I always go with the top first. And I'm gently gliding my knife. Okay, now I'm gonna start to work my way up, closing the gaps. I'm just gonna take in the top here. And I'm gonna turn it over to my cardboard. I just get a really sharp scissor, cut a really nice edge, gently glide it. This is an old school baker's trick. I mean, some people will use a spatula. I've seen people try to do it like a credit card. I've seen a lot of crazy things. Years ago, when I started baking, they didn't really have fondant. So if you wanted your cake to be smooth, you had to ice it smooth. All right, so now I'm gonna put this in the side. I'm gonna fill my next tier up here. Flamingo pool cake time. It's beautiful, aqua. Make you think of summer, you know? 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer. Now let's ice this guy up. So I've iced a cake or 2 in my day, or 3. Now I'm gonna comb in my top. I'm gonna put this in the fridge and show you what's up next. It's time to make our Flamingo Float. And I got a little bit of what we call white coating chocolate. I added some food coloring to it. So I melted this down. I got a pretty good texture here. Take a little glob. I'm gonna wipe it off, and then I'm gonna put it down. And I'm doing this on acetate paper because it's going to harden up on here. This is our wings for our Flamingo Float, and I'm making more than what I need because somebody might eat a wing. It's time to make our flamingo head. And I got some of that chocolate inside a pastry bag here. I'm gonna squeeze out like a little question mark. A little trick you could do if you want to is print out a picture of a flamingo and then kind of trace over it. But I am a trained flamingo professional here. Now I have another piece of acetate, and I'm just gonna kind of push that down a little so that I have 2 perfect sides. So now I'm gonna let this cool off. For our float part, what better than to use than a beautiful donut? Everybody loves donuts. And I got a little bit of donut ice in here. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna dip this guy in here. And I'm gonna try to turn that over. I'm gonna let it drip a little bit before I put it onto my board. Put that on my board. Now it's time to put this flamingo cake together. Take the top tier. I'll plop this guy right in the middle there. Bada bing, bada boom. So now I have a little bit of white chocolate ganache that I colored blue, and I'm going to kind of do like a little drippy pattern on it. Now I'm making my pool. And I'm just going around my edge here to continue my blue pool. Get it all the way to the edge. Now I'm going to do a little drippy drab. Now it's time to assemble the flamingo. I'll take my beautiful donut. All right, I'll pop that guy right in the center there. Bada boom. Now it's time to put our wingies on. I'm gonna put a little bit of white buttercream. 1 little wingy on. I'll take my little flamingo head here. I'm gonna make a flamingo eyeball. I'm gonna make like a little flamingo beak. Take a little bit of dark chocolate. Make my eye. Okay, I'm gonna stick this on. Stick it into my donut. Finish the other side of this guy off. I'm gonna add some of these little dragées here and there. Maybe some of these little sprinkles. Put some more dragées. And that's what we call a flamingo pool party cake. Who doesn't want to dive into this thing? I love the different textures. I mean, we turned the donut and a little white chocolate into a floating pink flamingo. You got to try this at home. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. You want to see more of my videos? Click over here. There's lots of them. Leave me some comments. Tell me what else you want me to create. Thanks for watching, guys.